Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a moment to settle into your body and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Now shift your attention to your toes. Focus on your toes and become aware of any sensations or tension present in this area. With each breath, imagine sending relaxation and warmth to your toes, allowing them to soften and release any tightness. Move your attention to the soles of your feet. Notice any sensation or areas of tension. As you inhale, imagine drawing in a wave of relaxation, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tightness or discomfort in the soles of your feet. Shift your awareness to your ankles and lower legs. Take a moment to observe any sensations or tightness in this area. With each breath, visualize the muscles in your ankles and lower legs relaxing and letting go of any tension. As you breathe in, imagine a soothing wave of relaxation washing over your knees, melting away any tightness or discomfort. Now, direct your awareness to your thighs and upper legs. Notice any sensations or areas of tension in this part of your body. With each breath, allow the muscles in your thighs and upper legs to relax and release any tightness. Shift your focus to your hips and pelvis. Become aware of any sensations or tensions in this area. As you inhale, imagine a warm, healing energy flowing into your hips and pelvis, loosening any tightness or holding. Move your attention to your lower back and abdomen. Take a moment to notice any sensation or areas of tightness in this part of your body. With each breath, envision tension melting away, as if your lower back and abdomen are being gently embraced by a soft cloud of relaxation. Shift your awareness to your upper back and chest. Notice any sensations or areas of tension. As you inhale, imagine a gentle expansion in your chest, allowing the muscles in your upper back and chest to soften and release any tightness. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice any sensations or areas of tightness in your shoulders. With each breath, imagine a warm and soothing wave of relaxation flowing down your arms and into your shoulders, releasing any tension. Now, direct your awareness to your arms and hands. Notice any sensations or areas of tension. As you exhale, envision the tension in your arms and hands melting away, leaving them feeling relaxed and at ease. Bring your attention to your face. Notice any sensations or areas of tension in your forehead, eyebrows, eyes, cheeks, jaw and mouth. As you inhale, imagine a softening and smoothing of all the muscles in your face, releasing any tightness or strain. Finally, shift your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a warm and soothing energy gently descending from the top of your head, enveloping your entire body in relaxation. Feel a sense of peace and deep relaxation spreading throughout your entire being. Take a moment to appreciate the relaxed state of your body. Feel the overall sense of calm and ease that you have cultivated through this body scan and muscle relaxation practice. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe. Allow each breath to anchor you in the present moment, bringing a sense of grounding and centeredness. Slowly begin to bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch if it feels good. Take your time to transition back to a seated or standing position, maintaining the sense of relaxation and tranquility you have cultivated. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of relaxation and awareness with you as you continue with your day, knowing that you can return to this practice anytime you need to reconnect with your body and find inner peace. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. I wish you well, and I love you.